Welcome to the 80 Plus Club, Your Holiness.
It's a joy and an honor to celebrate your birthday and to thank you for all the gifts you have given us.
You have dedicated your life to peace, kindness, and compassion.
I would like to show you gratitude and love and say thank you
for your kindness, your compassion, and your commitment
in touching the hearts and minds and souls of so many people.
You have shown us the utmost compassion and humility for all mankind.
May you continue to be a beacon of compassion, peace, love, and joy for our planet.
We are one.
Oneness of 7 billion human beings.
We are one.
I feel that is teaching.
We are one.
Once we consider ourselves the same human being.
We stand together. We are one if we're worlds apart. We are one if we love another. We are one no matter where we are. We are one.
In honor of His Holiness the Dalai Lama,
who has dedicated his life to peace and kindness.
My gift to you is that I will give compassion wherever it is needed.
To the world.
to my neighbors,
To myself.
A hand.
Or a kind word.
For someone who needs it.
And we all need it.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
happy birthday.
Así Salgira Mubarak.
Ekwajobi.
Feliz cumpleaños.
happy 80th birthday.
Happy 80th birthday.
You are 80 years young, and you will have many more years on this planet and beyond. We love you.
Compassion makes you a better person, and love is like the most important thing in your life.